Boy, welcome to another video from the most recent knockback war. This was the last game from the night, playing another game of Team Deathmatch. In this run, I kept up with the Duel Barrel Breaks. As you'll probably be able to tell, the footage and audio is a bit different for this one. I made a few major mistakes when trying to charge my cameras, and sort of didn't charge my batteries, so the match gets cut a bit short. I apologize for messing up real big this time. You just got tagged!
I fixed it for you, Scott.
That hit your elbow. Feel that. Due to an overall lack of cooperation and respect, more competitive players started to get a bit irritated and decided the best route to go from now on would be to play in a bit of a trolling manner. So spawn trapping and somewhat overbearing playstyle kind of came into the mix. You're dead now. It's like it's like.
They're really a walking up behind one.
Not with these. Ouch! That was perfectly in center. Where they scared them away. Shoulder.
Too much fun.
Does hair count?
Yes.
Yes.
Your hair is a part of your body.
It's gross.
Dry fire! Got you in the chest. That was right in the chest.
Another throw kill.
Yeah.
Go to your side. Killing. Well, that's because I just killed.
Just put your hands up in the air. It's easier to understand.
That's true. I put my weapon above my head. Like, this is my desk.
Despite being such a simple design, the barrel breaks somehow still managed to jam, or the darts fall out, which caused a bit of frustration during the match.
I'm to 20. Alright, I'll go back in the circle and spawn again. There's a man in the darkness. He has a rival. It hurts.
I wonder what that means.
It means he has the big gun and it hurts.
Oh, I know who you're talking about then. I was thinking it was Eric. I would have.
Wait.
Gun.
Time out. He's collecting ammo on our side.
Are we allowed to do that?
You're allowed to collect ammo anywhere. If it's on the ground, it's on the ground.
Yeah.
Someone said that you weren't allowed.
But if you're out, you should be walking back at... Dude, really? I'm trying to explain something. You keep shooting me. And by the way, that was not a cool spot to shoot either.
It wasn't a cool spot, but it was a good spot.
Yeah, if you're out, go back and collect ammo as you go. Don't just stay in the enemy side and collect ammo. Despite me explaining this, it seems as though the girls did not listen, causing a bit of confusion and, as you'll later hear, a lot of screaming. When you're playing in Nerf wars, please just be respectful of others who are out in the field, and don't sit out in areas where you can cause confusion while you're out. It makes sense that you want to make sure you have ammo, but don't be a jerk to other players on the field. Be respectful of others and be sure you're out of the way and out of sight from those who are still active. Leg, back.
Oh my gosh.
If you're out, then walk back to your base.
Yeah, if you're out, walk back to your base.
That hurts!
If you're out, walk back to your base.
I'm about
I'm going this. Time for tech.
Ouch, my ear.
Okay, that's not nice.
After dealing with the frustration with the barrel breaks, and overall getting annoyed by a lack of cooperation, I decided to just run with the Kronos, so that way I could just tag out as many people as possible and keep up a fast pace.
Here, I need cover, Air support. Get up.
Back! Back!
You were too happy about it. You watched it. I was getting all my nice kills and I was happy. Stop. We need to do some Kronos back. Oh, yeah. Wait, can we actually do that? Look at this, guys. Look at the Kronos head to this stuff. You see how the Scott, wait, is it this? Look how many Kronos rounds this thing took.
But that's his Kronos.
Oh, is that the bolts?
That's just the plastic.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, that's nice grouping too. Goodness.
Gotcha.
By the way, they're on the right.
It's magical.
That went up your shirt!
I know.
I'm on your team.
I don't think.
Thank you. My one hand.
That thing.
I'm right here. I'm just fine here.
Hip! Hip!
No, you didn't.
That's a good mix-up though. Why are you standing around here then?
They keep reloading on the other side.
By the way, girl right here. Shoot her. By the way, shoot her.
Yeah, I saw you. I said ow. He missed 2 rounds, point blank.
Pretty much. Yep. Gun. What? What is she? Oh my gosh. I shot the girl's gun. And she just like start talking like she's safe or something.
I pulled the trigger on the Kronos and click. I was just like, he's got swords.
Guess I'll die. That's like a perfect guess I'll die.
I guess I'll die then.
Gun. That went off the gun. You're out. That hit your gun. You're out.
Alright. Everybody raise the dark room. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Gun. It hit your gun. It bounced right back at me.
I've been shot in the face.
Are you dead?
by my own guys like 10 times.
What?
There's a bunch of them all. As I found out later, I've been loading the Kronos speed loaders the wrong way. Silly mistakes like these end up wasting a bit of time. Yeah, she's the one leaving. There's one behind the table over there.
Yeah, there's a couple over there.
I already shot you. All right. But
Sure.
oh, I was putting these in the wrong way. Oops. here's where the battery dies, so unfortunately I have no more to work with today. I hope you enjoyed the footage I managed to get, and I hope to see you in the next video.